Hey all, this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash. We're here at this house in Roswell, and they've asked us to clean their back deck and gazebo. This is really a pretty setting. We rinsed off all their furniture, washed down the deck, lifted the carpet, put the carpet down, cleaned that carpet, did their stairs, cleaned off all of their patio furniture. They're going to be having a party here this weekend, and so they wanted everything all freshened up. So we got this all clean. We're also working on their driveway. You can see Joseph out here. He is doing surface cleaning of concrete. All looking good. You can tell some of the distance there. It's already clean. As we work our way around to the front of the house, sorry about the pressure washing noise, there's Chris. He's getting ready to rinse the front side of this house off. So if we can help you with any of your spring cleaning, getting your house clean from the roof to all the walkways and concrete and stonework, give us a shout. Grizzly Soft Wash, 678-727-2062. This is Dennis. Hope to talk with you soon. Grr.